Can you really get free backlinks from websites with a domain rating of 75 and higher? While most SEO specialists insist it's virtually impossible, since high authority sites often charge high prices or require unique content for placements, such opportunities indeed do exist if you know where to look for them. An analysis of our linkbuilder.com team on free placement sites list has revealed that even without a budget, you can still secure lists on sites with a DR 75 and above. Now let's go ahead and cover how to use our platform with its smart tools to find and acquire links on such sites. And all of it takes just a few minutes. Diving deeper now, let's head to our profile. If you don't have a profile, create an account. Super simple. Head to our website, top right corner, sign up button. You locked and loaded for success. So, on the right hand side, within your profile, there will be a section called Free Placement Sites List. Create a project if you don't already have one. If you have one, click to open it. We'll open already created project, Arts Gallery SEO in Portland, Maine. Let's click and open it. We'll see lists, the whole database of over 10,000 sites, media outlets, so we can go and work with them and place our links in there. Now let's go ahead and refine all of these sites with our filters. So we'll open filters and we'll scroll down to the DR, to the domain rating box. We'll type that it has to be at least 75 and we'll save our filter. Now what the platform does, it cross-references, it filters the results. Here we go. We have 75 sites, media outlets available for our placements. We can check additional details such as domain rating, traffic, referring domains, backlinks. All of it is right here. Let's continue refining. So it's good. We have 75. Let's focus on our niche. We will add additional filter. We'll edit the filter that we have. So in addition to DR75, we will add a niche. We'll add a category. Let's say it has to be in the arts and entertainment niche. So let's save our filter and we now see that we have 4. Let's continue refining. Let's say we'll click edit filter again. Let's say that the countries, because it's geography based, location is critical as well. Let's say it's got to be United States, Canada, or Germany per se, and we will save it. Now our list is refined to 3, so we narrow down our search to 3 precisely perfectly fit media outlets to serve our purpose, and one of those is a do follow. Bravo. So how to get a placement there? To get a placement there, click on the how to get button. It will give you precise instructions. It will show you an example of how your post would look like, your publication in there, and you'll be all locked and loaded for success. You can export this list for further use. You can share it with your teammates, brainstorm it on a meeting with the marketing department, all possible. You can take notes. Let's say you save this project. What's the purpose of this now? You can continue working with it. So after you get published, you click enter done URL and you can copy paste a URL of your post on this platform. Next time when you export this list, you will have those notes exported. So really great tool for the reports purposes. We can click add comments and add a comment. Let's say our post about let's say King James painting was featured here. Done. This is how it works. All possible, and sky's the limit. You can sort this by, let's say, traffic. It can be ascending or descending order at your fingertips. We're always here for you. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're available even on weekends. If you want a pencil meeting with us, click on button, book demo at the bottom right corner. Pick your date, pick your availability, time, and we'll meet. You'll meet with me. I will advise you. I will help you understand our platform better. I'll help you with strategy. We've been doing this for 20 years. We know it all from A to Z. We do provide marketing services. We have a huge team. We do outreach. We do link building. We do professional PR. We can publish you anywhere and everywhere your heart desires, even if this media source is not on our database at this moment. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe to our channel. We're always here for you. And bye bye for now.